Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to do this bag base for my new Longchamp bag that I have here. So I just thought to take a video of this so that in case any of you wishes to do something like this, you could just check out my video. So this is really very simple to do. I did this for my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 bandolier. So it's so cheap. I got all the materials from Dollarama and I think it just cost me like $5 or lesser. Yeah, so if you're interested to see how to make this, do stay tuned to the video. So let's get to it. The materials, basically what you'll need is, I like to use felt because I think it's easy to clean with felt. Of course you can't wash felt, but you can, what I usually do is take those lint rollers and just clean it as such. I do take wet wipes sometimes if I feel that it's necessary. So what I have here is, I found this cute little pouch. It's made of felt. It's pretty thick. It's about 1.5 millimeters thick, so I'm just going to be using this one. Unfortunately I bought this some time back and it's no longer available in Dollarama. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm just going to use that. And I also got this placemat. I bought this placemat from Dollarama too. So this is a foam placemat and it costs like $2. It's so cheap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the foam inside the felt itself, so it's more, you know, durable and it's sturdier. So that's what I'm going to do with this. So this is quite a big piece. I'm not going to be using any of it, but I also wanted to add that if any of you wishes to use this without the felt, if let's say you found that you can't find a felt or any other felt materials, you could just use this as the base. So choose a very nice placemat design. So I thought this is colorful, this is nice, so yeah, you could just go with that. So and you need of course some of materials such as scissors and measuring tape and of course thread, because you're gonna have to sew. Yes, I suck at sewing because, as you can see, let me just try to zoom in for you guys how I sew. Yeah, look at that, it's so uneven, but you know what, no one's gonna see it. It's for the inside of my bag, so I don't really care. And yeah, it's like that. Okay, now let me show you the bag that I have. So let me just put this aside. I've not done a review for this bag, so most likely this video will come out after I've done a unboxing of the bag. And so this is, I bought this in Singapore when I was there. So this is the Longchamp Le Pliage Cuir. Cuir is the leather version. So this is about the same size as a Longchamp Le Pliage Neo in small. So it's really very cute. It's so tiny, and of course it has like two of this buckles here for you to put the strap on it, so you can carry it crossbody. So why I needed a base for this bag is because, as you know, Longchamp bags, they are flimsy. Although they are durable, they are flimsy, so they don't have any base inside. And if you've watched my previous videos, the rest of my bags, my Longchamp bags, I always have a base for it. But I decided not to buy a base because I'm not sure of the size, and I'm not sure whether I can find something which can fit inside. So I'm just gonna make one base for myself. So if you can see here, the bag is really soft. The base, the bottom here is like, there's nothing over here, so you have to make a base for it. I mean, you could carry it without the base, but I think things will just fall about inside, and it's not going to be easy for you to access and get your things inside your bag. So what I'm going to be doing now is, I'm just going to turn the bag around and I'm going to be measuring the base itself. I do know the measurements for the bag. I think it's about hang on, it's the dimensions are 25 cm in length and 23, wait, I think 25 is here, and then 23, and then you have 16. So I just don't have the width. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm just going to take my measuring tape, which is this cutie here. I'm just going to measure and make sure that whatever they mention is about there. So 25 cm is up to here. So okay, so guess what, the length is 25 cm. There you go. At the length, the height of the bag, yeah, there you go. But in this case you don't need the height because all you need is the length. So you're just going to take 25 cm and then you're going to take this is about 13 cm across, but they put here 16 cm. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think 16 cm is all the way here. So I'm going to take this portion and start measuring. So that's about, yeah, it is 16 cm, but because it's a back base, I'm just gonna go with 15 cm so that it does not come out of the square area, and it's just gonna be a smaller one. So I'm just gonna take 24.5 cm and 15 cm. I think 15 cm should be sufficient. Yeah, 15 cm is also cutting it quite close, so I might take 14.5. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to be commentating because it's quite hard to do all this and commentary at the same time. So I'm just going to and I'm going to speed up this portion of the video, so I hope you can learn from it. So see you later. Ta-da! So I'm done. That took like 40 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, so let's try if it fits into the bag. I did try it, and yes, look at it. So it fits perfectly. It's not jutting out, so I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's fine. And because I use two sides of the foam, I think it's okay. You can't really see it, but hang on. Yeah, there you go. There it is. And yes, I'm happy that I made one cheap one. Costs like, this costs $2. The foam costs $2. You just need some thread, and yeah, I know the stitching isn't perfect, but I don't care because it's inside the bag. And yeah, I think it's sturdy. It's not like, you know, super sturdy because it's still foam. Unless you use acrylic or some other harder cardboard, then it'll be sturdier, but I think this will do. This will prevent the bag from sagging, and it's not gonna, you know, it's gonna keep your things pretty much organized inside the Longchamp. So I'm happy with it. I think it's fine. I think it's perfect. So that's all. I hope this video has been useful, and I hope that if you do make one for yourself, do let me know in the comment section below how it went, and whether, you know, was it frustrating, or would you rather just spend money to get a proper base instead of making one DIY. So anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you found this useful, and yeah, till next time, bye.